Okay, so I'm going to teach you area of triangle today. Okay, so this is a triangle. Okay, the area of a triangle, the formula is half base times height. Half base times height. So let's look at this triangle. The base is at the bottom, the height is at from the vertex to the base. Okay, so this is the height. Let me move this in here. This is the height. Okay, so how do I do this then? Let me apply the formula half base times height. So half times base, which is 5 centimeter, times height, which is 4 centimeter, equals what? Okay, so let's look at half times 5 times 4. So how do I do this? 5 times 4 is 20 times half. Okay, so 20 times half means 20 divide by 2. Anything times half means to divide by 2. We get 10 centimeters square. Do not forget the square unit. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay, let's go through example number 2. Alright, so we have this triangle and we want to find the area. So the area of triangle, the formula is half base times height. Let's identify our base. This is our base and this is our height. The height is from the vertex to the base at 90 degrees angle. Okay, let's look at the numbers here. We have base is 6 cm, height is 3 cm. So let's put in the formula. Half base times height. Half times, what is the base? 6 cm. What is the height? 3 cm. Very good. So we have half base times height. So we have half times 6 times 3, which is half times 6 times 3 is 18 cm square. Okay, so equals half times 18 means 18 divide by 2 equals 9 centimeters square. Okay, alright, so let's look at another 2 examples. Okay, so we have base, we have a triangle, and we are going to find the area of the triangle. So we have half times base times height. Okay, let's put the height in. Alright, so we have half. Let's do the question. Half times, what is the base? The base is 10 meters. and the height is 4 meters. So we have half times 10 times 4 is 40. So we have half times 40 meter square. Which equals to half times 40 meters square is the same as 40 meters square divided by 2. Equals to 20 meter square. Try this on your own, and okay, I'm gonna write the answer down, so this is where you pause the video. Okay, you should get 16 centimeter square. Good job if you get this answer. If you don't, repeat again the video and try to learn.